Hello everybody, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a pavoni Piccola espresso machine. Now this machine was broke here because it was not turning off, and it was the power switch that actually was completely broken. As you can see, it was not making a good contact between these 2 points, and it was not getting power to the whole machine, and that's why it wasn't powering on. We also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing all the little gaskets that you see here. The sideless casing, we're gonna replace that. I'm just checking that there's not any leaks in here in the machine. We replace the side glass as well, and pretty much everything that you see right here. And yeah, the machine has been on for a while. I usually do an espresso shot, but since I don't have the portafilter, then I'm just gonna run the lever, unfortunately. And as you can see, working perfectly fine. Good water flow coming from the lever. And steam working as there you have it, the pavoni Piccola working once again. Thank you for the perfect kind of coffee. Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.